Hi, I'm Michaela Wilsusan. This is Krista Bronson, Abby Marish. We are from the Central City FFA chapter, and we are here with David Vetter from the Grain Place. What kind of grain cleaning do you have here at your operation?
In our grain processing facility, we have two basic grain cleaning lines that consist of a screen cleaner, destoners, gravity tables, polishers, and color sort systems so that we can color sort the finished grain. Our original line has a capacity of about 5,000 to 7,000 pounds an hour that we can handle, and the new line about 20,000 to 25,000 pounds an hour. And then in addition to that, we also have grain lines for infrared processing so that we can do rolled and processed grains like rolled oats, rolled wheat, rye, barley, rice, do a lot of specialty ingredients. And then we have another processing milling lines where we manufacture specialty diets for companion birds and dogs and cats and rabbits and whatever. A lot of what we do here in the processing is unique in that a lot of our customers have been told by other manufacturers that it can't be done. So that I kind of take that as a challenge up front. Figuring out how to do something that can't be done, you know, that's always, and some of our biggest customers have been developed because we were able to do that. But it's figuring out how to do some things that nobody else can do.
What type of contract services do you offer?
We do specialty packaging for all kinds of niche markets. We do contract manufacturing. That's where we do all of our bird diets. So we do everything from specialty formulas for the big cockatoos and parrots down to finches. And we also make some hand-feeding wildlife rescue formulations for debilitated and injured birds. We make a series of cake mixes so you can bake cakes for your pet bird, dog cookie mix, and a variety of things like that. And then we do a lot of specialty packaging, private label for microwave popcorn, especially for new and innovative companies.
Where do you choose to see your products?
The vast majority of our products are contract manufactured products. So you will see them not under our brand name, but they'll appear in market under a number of different brands. Some of them are merchandised all around the world, and others are locally, regionally, but most of our products, if you find them in a market somewhere, will appear in a bulk bin. And we have access to bulk bin markets from coast to coast. Our principal distributor is the largest one in the country, and probably east of the Rocky Mountains, we've probably got about a 40% market share in organic bulk bin sales on popcorn, and to various other degrees in the other products that we work with the same distribution company.
How do you decide whom to source from?
First of all, we look for organic farmers that have some history, or new farmers, beginning farmers that have a compatible philosophy with ours, if we can find those, to develop that supply. We prefer to work with older and more established farmers because they traditionally produce better quality than beginning farmers in the conversion process.
What is the most challenging thing about your operation?
One of our big problems on the grain processing is enough product to work with. I probably could have market right now for 6 to 8 million pounds more popcorn than we have available. And a number of companies that have asked to work with us on longer term projects, but we don't have access to enough organic acres to do that. So part of the problem we're struggling with is do we go offshore to do that? Do we look to Argentina, Brazil, Peru, Nicaragua, some of those places for production? It's a hard thing to do. I don't like the idea of moving product like that all over the world. That's not very sustainable. And at the same time, you hate to lose markets or have markets not developed that could become a resource for farmers here down the road. So we're kind of struggling with that piece of it. There's all kinds of opportunities in specialty food products. And again, it's acres and having the material to make those products with. we have requests for a lot more than what we can handle here. And so how do you grow to meet that, or do you decide not to grow to meet that? Do you try to do more with less? I like the idea of having a lot of diversity, not only on the farm but in the business, because if one segment loses ground in the marketplace, at least you're not sitting there with everything and depending on one narrow range of products to keep your operation viable. Same way on the farm. We never develop cropping and planting decisions based on the market. It's based on the rotation that serves the farm the best. That is what keeps it whole, sustainable, and self-renewing the best. And we found over time that's also the most profitable.